Welcome to an exquisite offering in the heart of Piliyandala, Sri Lanka. Today, we are excited to present to you a luxurious architectural masterpiece, a brand new two-story house, nestled on a serene 7-perch land, just a stone's throw away from the bustling 120 Colombo bus road. With meticulous attention to detail and unparalleled craftsmanship, this stunning property boasts the finest features you could ever dream of. Whether you're a discerning homeowner or an investor seeking the best, this house is sure to captivate your heart. Step inside, and you'll find 3 spacious and elegantly designed bedrooms, offering a sanctuary of tranquility. 3 beautifully appointed bathrooms ensure that convenience meets elegance at every turn. The living spaces have been thoughtfully designed to maximize natural light and flow seamlessly from room to room. The architectural brilliance of this home is truly second to none. The modern gourmet kitchen is a chef's delight, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, ample storage, and a sleek design that will inspire your culinary endeavors. Step outside and be amazed by the beautifully landscaped garden, providing a serene escape to unwind and relax. The 20-feet road access ensures easy connectivity to the main road while maintaining privacy and tranquility. No worries about parking space. This property offers 3 dedicated vehicle parking spaces for you and your family's convenience. This house comes with an approved plan and all necessary documents, providing you with peace of mind and hassle-free ownership. Additionally, for those interested in financing options, we have arrangements in place to help you secure a loan. So, whether you're a homeowner in search of your dream abode or an investor looking for a prime property, look no further. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. For more details and to schedule a viewing, contact us today via calls or WhatsApp at telephone 075-299-4333. Our team is standing by to assist you. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour of the luxury architect 2-story brand new house for sale in Piliyandala, Sri Lanka. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing properties and real estate insights. Until next time, goodbye.